Union List 1 and are levied by the central government. The question number 4, the Laffer curve in public finance economics illustrates the relationship between A, inflation and unemployment, B, tax rates and tax revenues, C, government expenditure and GDP growth, D, public debt and interest rate. Answer is B, tax rates and tax revenue. Laffer curve is supply side economics concept that suggests that there is an optimal rate of tax that maximizes government revenue. If tax rates are 0%, revenue is zero, and if they are 100%, revenue is also zero, as people stop working. In both cases, people stop working beyond a certain point, that is point T in Laffer curve. Increasing tax actually decreases total tax revenue due to this incentive effect on work and production. Zero is also disincentive and 100% is also disincentive. Question number 5, which of the following best defines fiscal drag? A, reduction in private spending due to high government borrowings. B, inflationary effect caused by excessive government subsidies. C, the automatic increase in tax revenue as nominal GDP rises without changing tax rates. And D is the failure of the government to pass the annual budget on time. The answer is C, the automatic increase in tax revenue as nominal GDP rises without changing tax rates. Fiscal drag or bracket creep, both are same, occurs when inflation or economic growth pushes incomes into higher tax brackets. The government collects more revenue automatically without enacting new tax laws. These act as an automatic stabilizer, dampening aggregate demand, but can also discourage economic growth if it pushes too many people into the higher brackets. Question number 6. The principle of maximum social advantage in public finance was proposed by A. Adam Smith and Ricardo, B. Keynes and Hansen, C. Dalton and Pigou, D. Samuelson and Solow. Answer is C. Dalton and Pigou. The principle of maximum social advantage, or the Dalton-Pigou principle it is called, states that best fiscal policy is one where marginal benefit to public expenditure equals to marginal sacrifice to taxation. Means whatever sacrifice is done for being faced by taxation, equal benefit should be given by the government through public expenditure. In simple terms, government should spend until the benefit derived from the last rupee spent is exactly equal to the burden caused by the last rupee tax. Question number 7, the goods and service tax, that is GST regime in India, the tax levied on supply of goods and services within a state is called A. IGST, integrated GST, B. CGST, central GST, C. SGST, state GST, and D. CGST and SGST concurrently. Answer is D. CGST and SGST concurrently. So I am stopping because phone has become too hot. So next video.